Hello there. Welcome back to My Crafting World. My name is Anna. Today I'm going to show you what I have decided to make. I was inspired by my neighbor's outdoor Christmas decorations. I made a Christmas tree, but I was going to make a different one. And after I saw my neighbor's tree, I thought, I think I can do that. So this is what I used. These are those little tree branches that you can get. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby actually about 2 years ago. May have been last year. I don't remember. But I used these. I used 4 of these. I used some of these glitter pebbles. I used some of these the sequins that Tammy sent me. I used the snowflakes that are in there. It's hard to see without. There we go. Those snowflakes. I used the snowflakes. I used a wooden spool, and the one that I used is bigger than this one, but it's also a vintage, so I didn't want to paint over it. And then I used a dowel rod. This is not a dowel rod. This is a skewer, but just so you can get an idea of what I used. The dowel rod is the thicker one. So anyway, what I did was I put 4 of these. I twisted them together. I made one really long piece. I put 4 of them together. And then I got a bottle and I twisted the entire 4 around the bottle to make it round like this. Okay, except I used a smaller bottle. And then I started to open it up from the bottom to make a tree shape. Okay. So as soon as I show you my tree, you're going to be like, oh, I know, I've seen those. My neighbor has one of those lighted spiral trees. And this is what I came up with. I know you can't see it, and I'll move it for you in just a little bit. But this is one of those spiral trees that the outdoor ones, the ones with the light around them. And I've always liked those. I don't know why I don't get any for the yard, but I just don't. But this is the star, one of the stars that I got in Tammy's package that I showed you earlier. And here are the little balls and the snowflakes all around the tree. Okay, so, and here is the wooden spool. And like I said, it is vintage. I really didn't want to paint it. Besides, I kind of like the way that looks. But I was having a problem with it standing. And it kept toppling over. I had to really hold it steady and wait for it to stop shaking. And then it would stand on its own. So my nephew, being the bright young man that he is, says, why don't you just glue a quarter to the bottom? I hot glued a quarter to the bottom, and oh my gosh, that's all it needed, a little more weight at the bottom. I'll take my quarter back after Christmas. Well, actually, it's his quarter. But anyway, so that is what I made. Guys, it didn't take long at all. It took longer to glue all the little balls and the snowflakes on there than it did to actually make the tree. And I had this idea in my head floating around for, a few days. That's why when I saw the stars that Tammy sent me, I'm like, yes, that's gonna go perfect on top of my tree. And then I didn't have any of the darker green, so it is what it is, and that is the green that I had. So that's the green that I used. I thought about painting this gold, and nope, I like it like this. All right, guys, I hope I'm going to insert a picture of of my little tabletop that I always decorate. I've been so busy lately, I have not had a chance to do much to it. But I'm going to insert a picture at the end of what this looks like on my tabletop. Guys, I hope you have been inspired to make one. It was so much fun. They look so adorably cute. I really love it. I think I should make a smaller one too to go along with this one, but I'll think about that one. I may not have time. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so very much, and y'all have a great day.